Hey, what's up? I'm Kim Witte of WitteArtistry, and I'm a professional artist and makeup artist. I am tag teaming today to review an online makeup course from Online Makeup Academy, their SFX makeup course specifically, and I'm going to be focusing on the aging portion. Online Makeup Academy has a bunch of different types of courses. You can do beauty stuff, hair stuff, things of that nature, but I specifically will be going over the SFX course. Which, by the way, you get your own hand-selected kit that you can use throughout the course to do the classes. Which I already opened up, so excuse how exploded the box is, but you get quite a variety of materials. I'm going to switch to a little unboxing just so you can see what the course currently comes with. In case you've ever been interested in taking a makeup course, here's some of the benefits of taking one online. It's internationally accredited. It has been updated for post-COVID hygiene guidelines. It's available to all students internationally and at any time you want. All right, let's get into the makeup, shall we? During the aging course, it's pretty comprehensive. You're going to be learning about how you age over time, what affects aging, and different lifestyle choices that can make certain types of wrinkles or certain looks to your skin. You're going to be focusing on 3 different ways to achieve aging. I'm going to be doing a demo of the first one, which is when you use only 2D makeup to create a realistic wrinkling effect. I'm going to be using cream makeups and maybe a little bit of Skin Illustrator alcohol activated palettes. They also give some tips on how to make yourself look younger for like these weird flashback scenes in movies, along with aging hands, nails, lips, and hair. Once you have accessed the course, you will have access for a lifetime. Their SFX class covers aging, nails, hair, illness, prosthetics, and much more. Also, by the way, if you do complete the whole SFX course and pass, you will get a certificate that gets you pro discounts from their makeup suppliers. But honestly, something that I think is really cool about this particular course is once you've completed a makeup following their instructions, you have a homework assignment which you can upload a before and after image of your work. And then you will get a video conference and feedback directly from one of their accredited professional makeup artists who will give you feedback on your looks as you build your portfolio. On top of, you even get this professional feedback after you graduate. I did this entire makeup using a combination of the Mehron cream colors that were included in the kit, along with the alcohol activated makeup as well. I used the blue tones from the alcohol activated makeup to make my eyes look darker and just get a little bit more of the cool tones in my skin that they recommended in the aging class. As for what I've done so far, I've basically just outlined every single wrinkle that I have or get when I move my face aggressively. So just scrunch your face up in every which way that you can think of. Trace that dark line with a darker skin tone, and then add a highlight that's lighter than your skin directly above that shadow. Then you just blend them out, and that's literally all you do this entire thing for this whole look. You could look up reference photos of other old people if you want, but I personally just wanted to wing this one since you can just scrunch your face and figure out where the wrinkles need to go. Each person ages differently based on their anatomy, where their fat is, where their bones are, where their muscles move, their lifestyle. So personally, I felt that reference photos wouldn't be too helpful since they're not going to match my face because my face is different. One thing that is consistent is your eyes tend to look more sunken the older you get, so you want to darken your eye sockets with a darker skin tone along with hints of blue. She did mention capillaries tend to burst in the nose or along the inner corners of your eyes when you get older, so you can add those. I'm emphasizing my chin and the smile lines around my mouth, and also the angry brow lines in between my eyebrows, and the crow's feet, which in my opinion are the best things to paint because they're just fun. They're just like little flicks. One thing she did mention that was really important is anywhere that the costume isn't covering for your particular shoot needs to have old age makeup on it. Otherwise, it completely diffuses the look. So I am wrinkling up my neck and then blending that out as well. And then just making it look more sunken. You also want to make sure you don't forget your hands if your hands are going to be in the shot. And anything like wigs or hair dye and costuming can really help bring a character together as well. Her tutorial was pretty comprehensive. And the shading with the 2D effect was also pretty comprehensive. It's a lot of fun, because you can take it as far as you want. You can make it as theatrical as you want, or as realistic as you want. I wanted to do somewhere kind of in between, maybe like the 58-ish year old kind of, not like super old, but definitely way older than I am right now. I am now stippling the blue tones into my skin with that alcohol activated palette just to take out some of the life and the warmth of my face. Make sure when you're using the alcohol activated palettes around your eyes, you are being really careful to keep your eyes closed until they dry, because they do sting a little bit. I'm now adding some age spots, really small ones, just like little freckles almost. And then adding jowls to the edge of my chin, just to make my chin look more prominent and my face to be a little more rounded, because over time gravity will make your face sag. Adding more highlights. I'm going back and forth between shading and highlighting and just blending it out. I moved my hair into like a soft bun kind of that I think makes me look older, I don't know. And I'll be adding some white to my hair. And now I'm powdering the makeup to make sure it stays. Since this is cream makeup, this is a crucial step. Then with the Mayron hair white stuff, I'm just adding a couple streaks into my hair, and then you're done. You can be a nice old lady. And there we have it. Thank you so much, Online Makeup Academy, for working with me. This has been so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial, and if you're interested in learning more about SFX makeup and taking this course, it is available here. This was really fun. Taking this course has been very enjoyable. Thank you, Online Makeup Academy, for reaching out to collaborate with me, and yes, this video is sponsored by them. If you're interested in getting $100 off by joining the course, use this code in the checkout. OMA is a really awesome school that, in my opinion, is really unique because of how detailed their tutorials are. You get really in close, you get all of the behind the scenes information that you don't think of normally, like what remover to use, what things to think about with allergies and hygiene, and like all these bits and pieces that you didn't really know went into a makeup before. Along with the ability to comment publicly and also have private one-on-one conversations with these professionals to get feedback on all of your looks. Thank you so much, Online Makeup Academy, for sponsoring this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed getting a full review of this course. And also a huge shout out to my wonderful Patreon producers. Wow. Without you guys, I couldn't afford to do stuff like this, so thank you so much for funding my dreams. It means so much. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next video.